Isang mainit na pagbati sa inyong lahat. Happy Pride! Tuwing sumasapit ang Pride Month, pinag-iigting natin ang pagpapahalaga sa pagkatao at makabuluhang ambag ng ating mga kapatid mula sa LGBTQIA+ community. This is a chance for all of us to celebrate the inspiring diversity of humanity and, more importantly, to acknowledge the fundamental truth that this diversity does not have to result in division. It is in this month when we celebrate the creativity, strength, and heart of our brothers and sisters in the community who give of themselves wholly out of the desire to make things better for everyone. Saksi ako dito, lalo na bilang lingkod bayan. Buhos kong magbahagi ng sarili para sa kapwa, malikhain, matapang, mahusay. At lahat ng ito, nagagawa ninyo kahit pa hindi patas ang mundo, kahit pa maraming ingay sa paligid, kahit kaliwat kanan ang mga mapanakit na bulong. Pero naniniwala ako na hindi lang sa Pride Month dapat idiin ang pagpapahalaga at pagyakap sa inyong sektor. While we have created more and more spaces for acceptance and inclusivity, there remains very real and present struggles which are endured by many members of the community, especially the marginalized. Sa eskwelahan man o trabaho, sa mga tahanan, mga pamilya, mga kalsada at sa lipunan. Dahil sa mata ng iba, hindi pantay ang pagtingin. Hindi naman dapat mahirap suklian ang pagmamahal at husay. Dapat naman talaga pantay-pantay ang tingin sa lahat. As we celebrate Pride, let us be reminded that there are still many hearts to tap. There are still many of our fellow Filipinos to reach out to. Marami pa tayong kailangang gawin. At kailangan natin itong gawin ng magkakasama. Rally behind those who stand for a more gender-equal world and support measures like the SOGIA Equality Bill, which seeks to bring this world to life. And live with everyday acts of kindness, which looks at everyone with respect, regardless of their sexual orientation and standing in life. Let this also be a moment for each of us to renew our commitment to upholding these principles. Kaisa ninyo ako at ang buong Angat Buhay sa pangarap na Pilipinas at mundo kung saan bawat isa, anuman ang kasarian at pagkakakilanlan, ay malayang mamuhay ng may paggalang at dignidad. Again, may admiration and love to all of you. Happy Pride! Mabuhay kayong lahat!